Namaste and welcome to Isvara Wellness Studio. I'm Shivangi and today we are going to learn a simple breathing technique which instantly calms you down. You can do this practice anytime, anywhere you want. You may have heard of it as box breathing, but what most people don't know, it actually comes from an ancient yoga practice called Vritti Pranayama. Sama means equal, and that's exactly what we are doing here. Breathing in equal rhythm to settle the nervous system, ease anxiety, and bring the mind back to the present moment. This practice has four parts: inhale, hold, exhale, and hold again. We are not going to jump straight into all four parts. We are going to focus on inhales and exhales first. Make them steady and equal. And once that feels comfortable, we will gradually add retention of breath. Remember, this is your practice, not a race. So go slow with each stage and build your practice from there. Let us get started.
Find a comfortable place to sit on the floor or feel free to sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, whatever works for you. Rest your hands on your thighs and let the spine be long and the body relaxed. And gently close your eyes. Just take one easy breath before we start. We are going to breathe in for a count of 4 and out for a count of 4. Now if 4 feels like a bit much right now, please drop it to 3. That is completely fine. Let's begin. Exhale first to clear the breath. And then inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale slowly 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going at that pace. Inhale. Exhale. Let the breath be easy and quiet and take 2 more rounds here at your own pace. Slowly let the breath go back to normal for a moment and just notice how you feel right now. A little steadier, a little quieter. That is what equal breathing does, even in just a few minutes. Now we are going to add the 2 pauses and move into the full practice. We add a pause after the inhale and a pause after the exhale. So we have 4 equal parts: inhale, hold, exhale, hold, all for the same length. That is where the name box breathing comes from. 4 equal sides like a box. The pause after the inhale should feel open and full, as if the breath has just arrived and is resting for a moment before it releases. And the pause after the exhale is a moment of quiet at the bottom of the breath before the next inhale begins. If that bottom pause feels uncomfortable or the urge to breathe feels urgent, just shorten your count a little. That is completely normal and it gets easier with practice. We are staying with the count of 4, so it goes 4 in, hold for 4, 4 out, hold for 4. Let's do it together. Exhale fully first. And then inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the top 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale slowly 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going at that pace. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Continue for few more rounds. Keep the face soft, the jaw relaxed, and the shoulders relaxed. Continue and stay with the 4 equal parts. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Let each pause feel natural, not forced. Keep going at that pace. Continue for few more rounds. You are doing really well. Just notice how present you feel right now. The mind has very little room to wander when you are counting and breathing at the same time. That is the beauty of this practice. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Take 2 more complete rounds at your own pace. And now slowly release all the efforts and just breathe naturally. Keep the eyes closed for one more moment and notice how the breath feels on its own, how the body has settled. That is what this practice builds every single time you sit down and do it. You can use this practice anytime, before you start your morning, at your desk when things get overwhelming, or at night when the mind just won't switch off. The more regularly you practice it, the more that steadiness starts to carry through into the rest of your day.
Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this, please do subscribe. I put out new video every week. And drop a comment below and let me know how this felt for you. I read every single one. See you in the next class. Namaste.